So another thing, or another way of how to let go of limiting beliefs is willingness to surrender when things are not working. You know, sometimes we try so hard on something that is not working. And you wonder, you know, supposing I'll go back to the culture thing where it's like, oh, by 25, you have to be married. But everyone you meet to get married to is not the right one, what? So what do? You can't just run off with someone who is not the right fit. You just have to be okay and surrender that, okay, this is not working, let me try another way. Maybe I have to first establish myself before I engage in other relationships, right? Or let me first heal from past hurts before I engage in another relationship. It's the same thing with finances. You may be trying a certain method, a certain way you do things in your culture, in your society, but it's not working. For example, debt. Here, I'm in Los Angeles, and having debt is very normal. Everyone has a credit card, everyone gets a school loan. It's just the way we do things, but there is another way of living debt-free. I chose to take that other way of designing my life so that I can live debt-free. Was it easy? No, because everything is going against you. Everywhere you go, they're asking you, would you like to sign up for this credit card? And I'm saying, no, I'm not going to do that.